Good day, good morning, or good midday, everyone. My name is Zoibu. I'm a mixed media artist from the Netherlands, and today I will show you a little bit of something from my digital sketchbook. And today is all about my Kaweco fountain pens. What you see here is my whole collection. So let's just do some swatching and I will show you how they all look when used in writing. When used in writing, there we go. For the first one, I have this one. This is the Kaweco AL Sport. That means aluminium sport. And this is in the color Olivine. It has a broad nib. And it has the color, let me check. It has the color Wearingeul, the autumn night after 1,000 years. So this is a Kaweco. Let me angle it a little bit more so you can see my writing. I write from, I'm left-handed, so otherwise it will get smudged easily. But I hope this way you can see what I write. Sport in the color Olivine with a broad nib. This is with Wearingeul. So, the autumn night. The autumn night after, a little bit of a smudge, after 1,000 years. This is actually a shimmer ink, but a very pretty one. So I hope you will see a little bit of the shimmer as I'm doing this. And if not, I will show it at the end. And I hope it will show up because this is truly a very pretty color. As you can see, this one is also more of a shiny finish. While these two after this one will have a more frosted finish. This is the Fonto Plumo exclusive. This is the Kaweco Aluminium Sport in the color Passion. And it has a very special nib because it is a ground nib, a double broad ground nib, Italic. Let me check. This is a ground Cursive Italic by Dutch Pen. I will link him down below, but I will write it down here as well. So, Kaweco AL Sport in Passion. I will also write it here. Fonto Plumo exclusive. There we go. Fonto Plumo exclusive, and this is in a Cursive Italic nib by Dutch Pen. The ink is Shanghai stationery with Dragon King. This is a orange color with a let me check, a shimmer with a golden shimmer, while this one also has a golden shimmer. So very nice. I do like how the shimmer works in these pens. Little heart. There we go. Like all Kaweco pens, you don't have to buy them with the clip, you can also buy them without. But I really like the classy look with specifically these things. What is also funny, I do not know if more people notice this, but if you are left-handed, it is with most pens, you can see there's the lettering on the pen itself. But for me, it is always upside down. It doesn't matter, but it's a fun little tidbit to know, because if you are a right-handed writer, you will always have the name facing you. So maybe that's a fun thing to notice. It is with most pens. I do not know if there's a specific pen that doesn't do it, but now you know. For the next one, this is also a Kaweco Aluminium Sport. And this is, I believe, just like these, all of them is a special edition. And this specific one is called Vibrant Violet. And in pictures online, when you search for this one, it will look really deceiving. It can be either too bright or too dull, or it will just look a little wonky. But it's actually a very pleasing purple to look at, especially with the golden lettering and the golden nib. This is OL Sport with vibrant violet, violet. And this one, if I can read it correctly, maybe you can see it too. A double broad nib. Double broad. Oops, smudge again. It is normal, don't worry about it. This is actually a Schneider ink. I do not hear a lot about Schneider, but I like their inks a lot. And this is Lilac. Lilac. There we go. And I really think it fits the pen. It looks way more, how do you call it, bright or desaturated when you look at it, when you buy it. I actually have a very big... No! Oh. It wouldn't be a Zoibu video without me letting everything fall, but I want to tell you this. I basically have this box with all the colors of their, I believe it's called their pastel range. But look at how soft that lilac looks. And it looks very, you can see it, it's very much more readable when you have it down. So I don't use a lot of cartridges, I usually use converters. But I highly recommend Schneider ones. These are very fun and also very inexpensive, so that's a good sign as well. And if you buy a box like this, I believe I got this for 11 euros. Bunch of colors, really fun to try out. I also recommend these two specific colors. The Conjac is a very pretty one. It is also in one of the pens. The Conjac one and this Bermuda blue one. Very stunning colors. I still have to try some of them, but highly recommend them. Very cool. Recommend to try them. Yes. So that is the lilac. For the next one, I will go with another one with a clip. This is a normal Kaweco Sport, so a plastic one. And this one has a double broad nib, and it has the color Diamine by Humbug. That is I believe, a special edition from the ink vent. I got a big bottle of it. So, Kaweco. Burgundy. In double broad. This was actually the first double broad that I got. And that's made me getting this one with a double broad as well. Diamine. Humbug. Very beautiful color. And it has some very pretty pink shimmer in it. So that's also something I do not see a lot or very often with Diamine. But it's a very bright little, or bright, but also a little bit leaning brown color. And I like it a lot. I hope I can show you the shimmer later. Then for the final one that is inked, because this one is not inked, maybe let me show you this one before. This is a Kaweco Sport special edition that I forgot the name of, the Iridescent, I believe. This one has an extra fine nib, and that's why I just don't really use it. It was, I believe, one of the first Kawecos that I bought, but I just don't use it, so I might get rid of this one or sell it. But for the one, last plastic one that I own is also Fonto Pluma exclusive, and this pen is called Chocolate. This has a broad nib in the gold colorway. Kaweco. In Chocolate. Oh, another smudge. Oops. Fonto. There we go. Fonto Pluma exclusive, and this has also Schneider ink. Schneider with Conjac. I must admit this color has been in this pen for quite a long time. So it might be also with the Lilac actually. So it can be that it would be way lighter when you have it in your pen, but this has kind of evaporated a bit. That's why it might look a little darker. Yeah, these are all the colors that are inked. I will show you a little bit of a sneak peek, or at least what it looks like when I bring you closer. I'm gonna try and see if we can see a bit of the shimmer, but this paper looks like it absorbs quite a bit. You can see the tiniest of shimmer right there. Dragon King also a little bit in the light. Vibrant Violet doesn't have any shimmer, but Humbug might show up the tiniest of pink sparkle, but believe me, it's in there. This pen was almost empty, so that's why. And this is the Conjac. If you want to see how it's ghosting, not a lot. This is in the MD paper. So if you want to also use this paper for yourself, that would be a great place to start. I hope you like this little swatching video. If you want to see more, or hauls or inks or whatever, or creative things, you're at the right place. This is called my Zoibu Sketchbook, so you will just get a little bit of everything. Now it's mostly focused on fountain pens, but maybe I will go into more inks or more watercolors next. But either way, I hope you enjoyed it. Please put let me check. Do a purple heart if you watch till the end. And thank you so much. And please check out the other ones as well. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Also check out the other videos. I make more. And if I have a lot of people that like it, I'm even happier. So yeah. Maybe I need to show you my Pokemon collection later. My Pokemon card collection. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. Okay, bye. Oh my god, I almost dropped something.